Hello supercar buyers. This Super Snake inspired 2011 Ford GT500 SVT Shelby 5.4 liter Mustang was featured on the cover of Mustang 360 and dubbed Dark Wide. This thing is amazing. It was a 4-month project with Galpin Auto Sports, torn completely down and built from the ground up. This thing delivers 1,000 horsepower to the flywheel and over 816 horsepower on the dyno. Thing is amazing. It's a street legal race car. This thing has just been smogged and it's ready for the track or your driveway. Now this has a 3.4 liter Whipple supercharger, 72 millimeter throttle body, fed by twin Ford GT fuel pumps, 72 pound injectors, Afco exchanger and methanol injection system. Ford Giotto 21s on the front and 22s on the back, and so much more to mention that you can't do in a short period of time. You heard it rumble. It's got under 9,000 miles. Give us a call at Buy Your Ride. That's 805-507-2244, 805-507-2244. Be the first.